Hey VR nerds, Connor with BaselineDesign. I'm going to show you how to set up your BaselineDesign Vive Club in Golf Club VR. Process is super simple, so don't worry, just got to change a few settings, and I'll give you a few tips of how to play the game, because it can be a little bit tough to learn first time around. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, let's get this set up. You're going to start by standing in the middle of your play area, just like I am here. Now, one lighthouse is right there, and my other lighthouse is right there. Make sure you set it up so that you are swinging between the two lighthouses just like this. All right, go to Menu and press this Reset Standing Position button. Make sure to stand in the middle, look forward, and there you go. You're set in the middle. Just make sure that you're not going to hit anything else in the room. Next, I've got my perimeter set up. This is important, otherwise you risk hitting something as you swing. So to turn it on, go to Settings, Play Area, always show floor bounds. Make sure that's turned on. All right, now we're going to go to Settings, Gameplay, and Club Length, Shaft Flexibility, Swing-handedness, and Dominant Hand. All these are options that you're going to mess with to adjust your play, as well as putter weight. I like to have it on heavy. It makes it feel a little bit more natural as you swing. Something you do have to turn on is sticky clubs. With this turned on, and make sure that when you click on the club, it stays in your hand and you don't automatically drop it as soon as you let go of the trigger. Next, you're going to want to go to Controller Offset, and make sure this is set to 70. This moves the handle of the club down in a way that it feels natural when you're holding a club. And this is the exact length to set it, and you should be good. All right, now we're going to go to the tutorial. Now, I skipped ahead to this part. It's the most important part. Make sure that you're set up in the middle and you're swinging between the lighthouses, just like we talked about earlier. I'm going to take my headset off, check those, check there. Okay, that looks good to me. So now I'm going to face directly forward, and I'm going to pull the trigger. There you go. I was already pretty close, so it wasn't a whole lot of movement, but you should see more movement when you set yours up. So I'm good to go. All right, now let's go and select a course. I'm going to go with, let's go with this one. Okay, and play. All right, now that I've got this loaded up, I'm going to show you how to play.
Okay,
First tip is that you're always going to be swinging in the same direction. Just like we set up before, that direction is the same place you'll always be swinging. When you start off the course, you can see these two balls, and they'll show you the direction to swing. Make sure you're always going perpendicular to those, just like usual golf. So make sure that when you're doing that, you're not walking around, you're not turning. Just stay going the same way. Keep it super simple. Resolution's not super high, so you can get turned around. So keep this in mind. If you touch the left side of the touchpad here, you can use that to teleport to the ball and make sure you're always lined up properly. Super simple. I also like to use the right teleport button and use that to teleport through each hole to see where I'm going. It gives you a good idea of the obstacles, and it gives you a good idea of the whole layout. So you can see that obstacle there, you can hit over that if you want to, and it really just gives you a good idea of what to play and how you're going to play this hole. Now also, always make sure that the hole that you're going towards has these lines. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of dumb, but you can get turned around and go to the wrong hole. So if it doesn't have these lines, you're in the wrong place, which is why it's helpful to walk the course beforehand. Besides that, you should be good to go. All right, one more thing that's super helpful is move your clubs around. Set them up in a place that's comfortable to reach. There you go. Grab the handle like that and put it in a place where you can reach each time. Makes it convenient, and when you teleport, the clubs will always be in the same place. Just like that. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. But I do really think that you're going to enjoy this attachment. It really makes the weight of the club feel perfect, and it makes it really feel like you're playing golf. So have fun and enjoy.